Welcome back to our channel, tech enthusiasts. Did you know that upgrading to the 5 GHz frequency can significantly improve your network speed, reduce interference, and unlock a world of possibilities? In this guide, we'll show you how to make the switch from the standard 2.4 GHz frequency to the lightning-fast 5 GHz network in Windows 11. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button. The first thing you should do is to check if your computer supports the 5 GHz band. Search for command prompt, then open the app. Type net shwlan show drivers, then press the enter key. You should be able to see the 5 GHz band supported. To switch between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi bands on Windows 11, follow these steps. Right-click on the Start button, then click on Device Manager. Expand the Network Adapters menu. Right-click on the Wi-Fi adapter. Select the Properties option. Switch to the Advanced tab. Select Band or Preferred Band option. Expand the Value drop-down list. Select 5 GHz only or prefer 5 GHz band option. Click the OK button. Thank you for joining us on this insightful journey. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials and exciting content. Stay tuned for our next video and remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications.